Hi, it's Anna with WTI. Do you want strong thighs? I have a Thigh Master and it is super cool, easy to use, and very ergonomic. One thing that is super nice about this is how adjustable it is. So the resistance, you just turn this knob and you have 10 to 78 pounds worth of resistance. So very adjustable depending on what your strength level is. It also has a really nice LED counter on it, so you don't have to keep track of how many squeezes you've gotten in. It will tell you right here. It charges easily with a USB-C, and it's not just to make your thighs strong. You also can use it for pelvic floor health. You can also use it for your arms and your shoulders. The pieces that go on your thigh have this really nice cushion, and it's curved, and these rotate. So very adjustable for many different kinds of exercises to be able to work many different muscles. You just put it where you want it and start squeezing. The counter automatically starts. When you're done with it, if you release the resistance all the way, it folds up really nicely like this. So if you're looking for a nice small tool to build thigh strength, pelvic floor strength, highly recommend this Thigh Master. It has been really nice to use, and it is amazing how much just this little tool can work those muscles. But that's just my point of view.